Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs. Features also include steering wheel controls, voice-activated command system, blind spot monitor. Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.